Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to block websites on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to use specific websites or if you do not want to allow your kids to use a specific website or you want to block a specific website on your iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the videos. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to screen time here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have set the screen time passcode different from the device passcode so that no one will be able to access that. So now if you want to check a website or activity, so you have to simply go to website app and website activity. So here you have to simply provide your screen time passcode, and after turning on the app and website activity, so here you can simply see all of the website activity here. So if you want to limit any app for any of the apps from here, you can simply dull that. Moreover, if you want to cut the usage of the time, then you can simply do that. Moreover, you can also click on content and privacy restriction, and you have to simply turn on this feature. And after turning on this feature, you can simply control all kind of things on your mobile. So you can simply check browsing. So here you can simply check all allowed apps and features. So if you want to allow any kind of apps or block any kind of apps from here, you can simply do that. Moreover, if you want to block any website, then you can simply go for Safari setting, and you will be able to do that setting. So you have to simply go to apps and you have to simply go to Safari, and after that you will be able to block that website, specific website. So here you have to simply click on that and you can simply block that website. So here you can simply go for the settings and you can allow Safari to block the website you want. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.